how to add a bio to your Kik profile. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a bio to your Kik profile. So the first step is to launch the Kik app on your device. Move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. Once on your profiles page, you can see your cover photo, you can see your emoji status, your profile picture. Then the next step is for you to click on describe who you are, just below share your interest. So there you can now go ahead to add whatever you want to add. So for me, I'm just going to type I am a fast learner and a versatile person. I am lovable and I hope to make friends here. Then you can just go ahead to add a laughing or a friendly emoji and then click on save, and just like that your bio would be added to your Kik profile. So you can also edit it by clicking on the edit icon to remove or add whatever you want to add to it. So this is it. This is how to add a bio to your Kik profile. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.